Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will talk about Pooja Hegde. Pooja Hegde is a celebrated for her striking looks and impeccable sense of style. With her long lustrous hair, glowing complexion, and captivating eye, she embodies classical beauty. Standing tall with a graceful posture, Pooja's presence on screen is nothing short of enchanting. Her fashion choice reflects a blend of elegance and modernity. Whether she gracing the red carpet or rocking casual street style, she looks amazing. Pooja exudes modern sophistication with a choice of sleek tailor outfits set against style urban backdrops. Her contemporary look is complemented by edgy accessories, capturing the essence of chic urban fashion. Whether she posing minimalistic ensembles, she embodies effortless elegance. In her minimalistic shoots, Pooja shines with clear lines and understands sophistication. Her natural beauty is highlighted through subtle makeup and sleek hairstyle, making a bold statement with simplicity and grace. Embracing her free-spirited side, Pooja radiates bohemian charm in the following dresses, adorned with intricate pattern and vibrant weave. Whether surrounded by natural or electricity settings, she exudes a carefree vibe, blending effortlessly with her surroundings. In the media, Pooja Hegde is often praised for her versatility and charisma. She seamlessly transitions between glamorous roles and relatable characters, earning admiration from both critics and fans. Her media image is that sophisticated yet down-to-earth star. Who maintains a strong connection with her audience through social media and public appearance. Venturing into futuristic fashion, Pooja dons avant-garde style and metallic fabrics. She against modern architectural backdrops, she embodies a vision of tomorrow fashion with cutting-edge designs. Pooja seamlessly blends high fashion with street style, sporting casual yet chic symbols with a touch of urban age. Her statement accessory and confident demeanors adds a dynamic flair to her looks. Trending ahead as she strolls through city streets in a sporty theme shoot, Pooja combines fashion and functionality, showcasing stylish activewear paired with trendy sneakers. Whether in a gym setting or a city street, her short looks highlight her fit physique as casual chic vibe. Pooja Hegde was born on 13 October 1919 in Mumbai, India. She earned a degree in commerce of Mumbai University. Her journey began as a model. She quickly gained recognition in various beauty pageants. She made her acting debut in 2012 with the Tamil film Muga Modi and later ventured in the Tamil cinema, making waves with her performance. Pooja Hegde's career took off with her impressive role in Telugu films, and her Bollywood debut came with the film of Mohenjo-daro, opposite Hrithik Roshan. She has continued to showcase her talent in a variety of roles, including notable performance in Houseful 4 and Radhe Shyam. Her ability to excel in both commercial and critical acclaim. Films has solidifying her status as a leading actress. Pooja Hegde pursued her higher education at Mumbai University, where she completed a degree in commerce. Her educational background has contributed to her well-rounded persona, professionalism in the industry. Pooja shines amazed, breathtaking, natural landscape in her photo shoots. Whether in the lush forest, serene beaches, or majestic mountains, she radiates tranquility and harmony, blending seamlessly with the natural world. On the page of fashion magazines, Pooja captivates with cutting-edge trends and avant-garde styling, collaborating with top photographers and stylists. She creates visual striking image that challenges conventional beauty and push artist boundaries. Through empowerment campaign and personal projects, Pooja uses her platform to inspire confidence and individuality. Her captivating gaze and powerful pose send a message to self-love and resilience, encouraging others to embrace their true self. Pooja channels the opulence of the roaring 20s with Art Deco-inspired photoshoot, draped in geometrically patterned outfits, luxury and embellishment. She evokes the glamours of the jazz age with a touch of nostalgia. Embarking on a sartorial safari, Pooja showcases wildlife, inspiration fashion in luxury fabrics and statement accessories. Posing against breathtaking natural backdrops like savanna and jungles, she blends adventurous spirit with high fashion. Pooja celebrates iconic architecture in photo shoots that highlight urban landscape and architecture marvels. Her graceful silhouette complements that striking lines and textures of modern and historical buildings, creating a harmonious blend of fashion and design. Pooja celebrates cultural diversity with fashion fusion, blending traditional attire with contemporary style. Her photoshoot highlights the beauty of culture exchange, creating captivating look that trans borders. In surreal fantasy theme, Pooja transforms into ethereal characters with elaborate costume and with mystical accessories. Her photoshoot transport views to enhance world filled with magical and wonders, offering a fashion forward that a classical fairy tales. Pooja showcase her aestheticism and grace in sport themes photoshoot that merge fashion with fitness. Posing in sleek active wear, she highlights her strength and agility, inspiring an active and healthy lifestyle with confidence and style. Pooja Hegde is celebrated her striking looks and impeccable sense of style, with her long lustrous hair, glowing complexions, and captivating eyes. She embodies classical beauty, standing tall with a graceful. Pooja's presence on screen is nothing short of enchanting. Her fashion choice reflect a blend, elegance and modernity. She gracing the red carpet, rocking casual street style. Pooja dazzles in extravagant photoshoot, donning dramatic gowns and even great faces, posing against luxurious or surreal backdrops. She embodies the epitome of glamour, pushing the boundaries of creativity and style. So guys, here are some details of Pooja Hegde. And if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe Celeb Clip for more videos like this.